Hello and welcome to the Expert Legal Advice. Friends, today I am going to tell you about the procedure and requirement for registration of will after death. So first we have to understand what is a will. Friends, will is a legal declaration of the intention of the person making a will as to how his estates, that is assets and properties, will be managed, administered and distributed amongst the beneficiaries chosen by him after his death. So why will is necessary? A will is necessary because if a person dies intestate, that is without executing a valid will, his entire estate will be distributed amongst the all legal heirs. And for claiming to be a legal heir, a succession certificate is required to be obtained from the competent court, and after obtaining the succession certificate, the division and partition of the properties can be done amongst the legal heirs. And it is to be noted that all the class 1 heirs will inherit the properties in equal proportion based on the survivorship and succession certificate obtained from the competent court. On the other hand, if the will is a valid will and person has executed a valid will, it is a binding testamentary document and his assets and properties will be distributed amongst the beneficiaries chosen by him after his death. So when a person has executed a will, his entire properties, assets, liabilities will be distributed between the beneficiaries only who has been named as beneficiary in the will, not to any other person. And the executor will be the person who has been named in the will as the executor, who can administer the property and get the distribution and partition done amongst the beneficiaries as named in the will. No other person will have any right in the assets and properties unless their name is written in the will as beneficiary. A will takes effect only on the death of the person who made it and can be revoked at any time or can be amended at any time by him before his death. So who can make a will? Every person of sound mind, not being a minor, may dispose of his properties by a will. Whether registration of will is mandatory or not. So under the Registration Act 1908, registration of will is optional, not mandatory, which means a will, whether it is registered or unregistered, it is equally valid and enforceable under the law. So what should be the wording and what is a valid will? It is not necessary that any technical terms or terms of art to be used in will, but only that the wording be such that the intention of the person making a will or intention of the testator can be known from that will. So that intention should be clear from that will, that how the properties will be managed after death and how and in which proportion the property will be distributed amongst the beneficiaries named in the will. And will should be in writing. It can be in plain paper, signed by the testator and witnessed by at least 2 persons who also put their signature on the will. So why usually people not register a will? It is because the testator of will can revoke or amend a will at any time and as many times as he may do so, as per his choice, until he is of sound mind and is competent to dispose of his properties. Whereas a registered will can be cancelled only after approaching to the sub-registrar office in which the will was actually registered. So cancellation cannot be done by without approaching to the sub-registrar office where the will is actually registered. What is probate? Probate is an authentication of will by the competent court that will is genuine. And competent court, while granting probate of a will, generally inquire into every material fact relating to the person claiming are interested under such will, the properties which is claimed are the subject matter of disposition, circumstances of the testator and family, circumstances of the death of the testator, circumstances of making the will. Every aspect the competent court has to look before granting probate of will. So probate of will is not easy to be obtained unless the court is satisfied that will is genuine, it is signed by the testator, witnessed by the witnesses. Why probate is required? Probate is required only in case of will is unregistered, to get it authenticated from the competent court that will is genuine. Appointment of executor. Probate shall be granted only to an executor appointed by the will. However, in case no person has been named in the will as executor, then the court on its sole discretion appoint any one legal heir or any legal representative or any beneficiary named in the will as executor and grant probate of will. Court fees on probate of will, very tricky point, or I can say this has to be kept in mind before going to the court for probate of will. In case of unregistered will, the executor of any beneficiary under will is required to apply to the competent court for probate of will to get it authenticated. One very important thing to be noted here is that the court fees is payable on probate of will, and court fees varies from state to state. In some state there is a maximum ceiling limit on probate of will for payment of court fees, and in the National Capital Territory of Delhi, if the value of property under the will exceeds 50 lakhs, then the court fees is payable at the rate of 4% of the value. However, the rate is different if the value of the property under the will is less than 50 lakhs, but I am just taking the upper limit, that is the 4% if the value of the property is exceeds 50 lakhs. So now I would like to apprise you all about the registration of will after death of the testator. Under Section 40 of the Registration Act 1908, after death of the testator, that is person who made a will, any person named or claiming as executor or otherwise under a will may present the will to any registrar or sub-registrar for registration. So when such will is presented by the executor for registration of will after death of testator, the same may be registered in the same manner as any other document if the registering officer is satisfied. So satisfaction of the registering officer is very much required for registration of will after death. And when what the registering officers considered while registering the will, so he looks into whether the will was executed by the testator, whether testator is dead, and whether the name of the person presenting the will is entitled to present the will for registration under Section 40 of the Registration Act 1908. So most important point which is to be noted here is that in case of registered will, no probate or letter of administration is required Hence, no situation arise for payment of court fees because will is already registered, and will is registered before the sub-registrar office means will is genuine. So now I would like to highlight some important point relating to the registration of will after death. Executor is required to make an application to the sub-registrar for registration of will after death of testator, along with the copy of the will, affidavit from the executor, affidavit from the both witnesses, copy of Aadhaar card of testator, and copy of death certificate of the testator. There is a requirement of publication in the newspaper, one in English daily and one in Hindi daily, by the executor inviting objection from the public if anyone claiming or have any dispute for the genuineness of the will. So that publication is also required. And after verifying the application and documents, if sub-registrar is satisfied, he may send notices to the executor and the witnesses specifying the dates on which the registration of will after death can be done in the sub-registrar office. So during registration, the sub-registrar may also inquire into every material facts relating to the executor, relating to the witness, relating to the beneficiaries, and circumstances of execution of will and circumstances of the death of the testator, everything. And the sub-registrar may also require from executor and the both witnesses to execute and submit undertaking and affidavits declaring that the will has been registered, will has been executed in their presence, and that the will is genuine. So it is to be noted that will after death can be registered only if the registering officer is satisfied with the genuineness of the will, with the genuineness of the executor, with the genuineness of the witnesses. So I have tried to cover most of the things which are kept to be in mind before making a will, before registering a will, and registering will after death in case anyone require. So if anyone need any kind of help or need any kind of support or legal advice with effect to the same, he can contact me at any time. I will certainly help them out. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.